How to mention someone on Instagram story. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can mention anybody in your Instagram story. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Instagram app from your device and make sure that you are logged into a specific Instagram account. Now to add to your story, tap on your story on your top left. As you do so, it will show you up your camera. In here, if you would like to take a shot, just tap on this middle icon. If not, you can just add a photo from your gallery section. Now to add this photo to your story. Now, in order to mention your friend, tap on the AA icon on your top page. Here, tap on mention and type in the name. Once you do so, tap on to done and tap on your story on your bottom left. Once your story has been posted, go back onto it, and just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.